Have you heard the terms spice or K2? What about bath salts? These are not items on a normal shopping list. Instead, they are clever terms created to hide the item's true nature, that they're synthetic drugs, and growing in popularity. Ed O'Reilly from the Neil Kennedy Recovery Clinic in Dublin is here to tell us what's happening with these drugs right here in Central Ohio. Ed, it's nice to have you here.
Nice to be here, Gail.
Once again, you know, it's difficult for all of us, especially parents, to understand what's out there for our kids. Some of these, as you call them, are synthetic drugs. How are they different than, I don't know, what we would call more traditional type drugs?
Well, they're all artificially manufactured.
Okay.
The original, I think, push behind this was as people became aware of the fact that there's a lot of drug testing. Okay.
For employers, for everyone.
Employers, schools, it's not a bad thing, actually, but the idea that you could artificially manufacture something that you could get high off that might not show up on a drug test and was at the time legal. It isn't now, but at the time legal, had some attraction. The problem is, these are artificially manufactured drugs, which they get, you know, enterprising chemists to tinker with. Like spice, for example, is synthetic marijuana. Okay, so they're angling for something. Okay, it's going to be marijuana-ish. Okay,
but you don't always know what you're really getting.
Oh, you never know. That's the problem. And what they do with it is basically it's a chemical. In the liquid form, and they spray it on what's ever available. That's where the name spice, sometimes they market it as potpourri. It's generally, you can spray it on wood chips. Whatever they have at hand, they'll just spray the chemical on. And the problem with that is they aren't really big on quality control.
Yeah.
Okay? And so you never actually know exactly what you're getting or what the strength of it is.
So that makes these even more dangerous than traditional drugs.
It does, actually. Paradoxically, people think, well, I can buy it on the internet, how bad can it be? And the answer is pretty darn bad. There are compelling examples of people becoming psychotic from the consumption of this stuff. And it's really nothing to mess with.
And we are seeing this right here in Central Ohio.
We are. And part of it is because it's, it used to be about 1 or 2 years ago, you could just buy it over the counter.
Wow.
Yeah, and fortunately, the Attorney General paid a little bit of attention to this, and now it's illegal to do that. However, you can still buy it on the internet, and also the other thing that happens is these enterprising chemists, what they do is they go, we'll just molecularly, that's hard to say, engineer this compound and make it slightly different so it's not illegal anymore.
Wow. So
and now we can still sell it.
True enterprisers out there in a bad way.
It is, and it's scary stuff.
Can you get addicted to this more easily or quickly?
Oh, yes, you can.
Okay. Absolutely.
I wouldn't say more quickly or more easily, but it is definitely an addictive substance. There's no question about it. The concern we usually have about this is people start exhibiting very dangerous, erratic behavior well before they become addicted. And I attribute this, fortunately, the popularity of these drugs has sort of plateaued. It hasn't gone away, but it was going up very sharply, and it's kind of plateaued out. And I think it's partly because of, there's been some notoriety attached to, you know, people who have done some, you know, impressive things while under the influence of some of these drugs. I mean, you've probably heard somebody was supposedly engaging in cannibalism and, you know, all these kinds of things. And that's not overblown. People can become psychotic from some of this.
So those are signs that a parent or a friend or a loved one, if you see these behaviors in someone you know, that there's something going on.
Yes, absolutely. And the, first of all, there are urine screen tests for this now. Okay, and so if you, for example, have a child or, you know, someone you're concerned about, you can take them to an emergency room. And the other issue is you don't really need to find out what it is they're using. That's not really your job. You just pay attention to the behavior. Okay,
yeah,
if they're acting erratically, okay, and they will be acting erratically if they're using some of this stuff.
Well, we've had your number on the screen, Ned, so hopefully folks can get in touch with you if they have some issues with the loved one. As always, great conversation. Thank you.
Same here.
And thank you for joining us, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.